guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Christmas is around the corner and we want something delicious sweets on this special day. So I am making a Christmas brownie for my Christmas day. If you want to know the recipe, watch this video till the end. So let's quickly start the process, and first I'm gonna do, we will melt a dark chocolate by the addition of some olive oil. You can use some butter for this process as well. So the next step is to beat the egg along with some caster sugar, and we will beat it for like 5 minutes so that we'll get the soft peaks, and we will add all the ingredients like refined flour, cocoa powder, vanilla essence. I'm also gonna add some salt into this because it helps to balance the sweetness.